Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to show you how to install the security film on a large window. Okay, this is something you can do it for yourself to prevent any spontaneous breaking in. Okay. So first of all, what we do, the window's already clean and ready to install. Spray the window. Make sure you don't have any dry spot on the glass. That's what you gotta make sure. All your glass gotta be wet. This is a really big piece of security film. 12 mil. One of the best product and thicker for the install. The thicker you go, the more difficult installation process will be. Spray the release line. Bite the tint with your tip. Remove that from the film. You already sprayed, so that will stick on the opposite side of the roll. So what we're doing, you spray the film, not the top of the window. So you make sure you don't have no dry spot. You want to start the installation process. This film is very thick and heavy. Release line. You have your piece in control. Make sure you're very tight to the edge. Spray the window. First you want to do, you want to lock that window so it cannot move. Somewhere there. This is a glue squishy tool. You want to make sure when you squeeze heavy and not leave any water behind. So you want to do half a squeeze and another half just going to be on the top. Make sure there's no water. Product, it's completely transparent, have a 99% UV protection. Of course, going to help you out for you secure, slow down the fading, and control a little bit of the heat. security film work is basically prevent people cross through your privacy. So slow down the process at the police taking care for you. So one coming with a crowbar, sledgehammer, stone. So you want to make sure when they hit the window, it's going to stay. The glass won't shatter. That's all it is. Trim the sides. Make sure the top is okay, don't roll down on you. That's the bottom. Always keep fresh blade to do the cutting of the edges. That's going to make you easy cut. Again, it's a 12mm security film. That's not easy. The installation process, but it's something that you can do yourself. After you're trimming the edge, you want to make sure you're going to dry all the edges, top, sides, and bottom. The way you do it is get from the middle up, middle up, middle up, send to the side. Middle to the side, middle to the side, middle to the side. All right, the application is already done. You can take a look. So it's completely transparent. You can even tell it's applied into the window. And yes, this is something you can do to prevent any accidental glass break. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye. Classic window film, 727-851-7646. Thank you. Talk to you soon.